Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to complete our A-line dress and we will use it to cut our lining and the sleeve. So please stay tuned and watch my video down to the end. Comment, share it to friends, and make sure you subscribe, please. To cut out my lining, so this I'm going to do it now. So you can see the way I folded my lining and place my fabric on it now to cut it out. So this is how I'm going to cut. So I've laid it like this. So I'm using the back piece of the A-line flare to cut it out now. So I've done that now, just for me now to cut it. So I'm just cutting it to a half length. So you can see what I'm doing now. So this is how you're going to cut it and also cut the front side. But what I'm doing now, I'm using the back piece to cut first. So I will take it away like this and also cut like this. So that is it. I've cut it out now. You know, it's the back piece, so I will open the back side. That is for the zipper side. So this is my zipper side now. So I will use it to cut my front piece now. So let me indicate it for the zipper. So notching it. So that is it. That is for the back line. This is my front lining piece now that I've cut out now. So please, this is how the front is going to be. So I will use it to turn the main fabric on it. So to cut out my asymmetric neckline, this I'm going to place it. You can see what I did here now. So I will be using this is the back piece. I've spread it out. So I will also put it like this at the front now, to place it like this. So now I've done that now. So what I will do now, this is the side that will be having that half hand, and this is the side that will be having shoulder. The left hand side is the one that will be having shoulder on it. So now to take my take, I'll place it from the shoulder and mark 3 inches. So from this place of it now, so I will just take it like this from the neckline side and take it to slope it like this. So can you see what I did here now? So as we are cutting, I will cut from here to this side. So you can see now this side now have the shoulder part, and this side now we'll call it like off shoulder part, like the front hand side. So you can see what I did here using my hand. You can also use your ruler to do it, to curve it, but I'm using my hand now to curve it. So you can see how it sloped. So this is the side that sloped. So now we have done that now. So what we will do now, just to use our scissors to cut it out, and that's what I want to do now. So I'm placing it like this, using my scissors to cut. The pin that I pinned there is what is holding it. So let me take it out. So this is my pin. So I'll continue to cut it like this. Can you see now? So we have gotten the neck now. I've cut out my lining for the body part. So this is the lining side. So I will go and stitch it. This one is the front. So this is the back side of it too. So I've cut it out. You can see the lining. So I'll go and join all the body part now together and compose everything. So this is it now. So let me take it to the machine and stitch. will be joining my body part now. To start with it, we'll measure the bust. So my bust is 39. So this is my 39. So what we have there now is 2 inches. That is 1 inch this side of it. Coming to this side, 1 inch. And also for the waistline, waist is 31 inches. And this is my 31. So what remains there? So it's 2 inches. So bringing it to this side, we'll mark 1 inch at this side also. Coming to the other side, 1 inch. And then we'll connect the lines together from the bust and connect it from this side also to the bust. So I will go and stitch the front and the back now together. So this is how it came out, our A-line shaped dress. You can see the sleeve and the neckline, and you can see the way it came out